Hello everyone, welcome back to Naoko's Happy Donabe Life. It's been a while since the last episode. I'm so happy to start the renewal series. There will be many easy and delicious Donabe and Japanese recipes, so please subscribe to this channel. Today's recipe is miso butter hot pot with salmon and pork called Ishikari Nabe. I've made this hot pot many times this season, both for myself and many other people. And many of them ask me to share the recipe so they can make it home. Ishikari Nabe is originally a regional dish from Hokkaido, the northern island of Japan. And to me, the must rule to be called Ishikari Nabe is that the dish has to have salmon and potatoes in the miso broth. They taste so good together. Welcome back and enjoy happy Donabe life. Here are the ingredients for the miso broth. We have two kinds of miso. You can do red miso or yellow miso, and saikyo miso or sweet white miso, and sake, mirin, soy sauce, and dashi stock. Let's put two kinds of miso. Add the sake, add the mirin, soy sauce, and then add all the dashi. Okay, here are the ingredients to be cooked in the miso broth. We have napa cabbage and potatoes, which are part cooked, shungiku or chrysanthemum leaves, enoki mushrooms, butter, and pork belly slices, and salmon. So today I'm going to use the classic style donabe. Okay. So just pour the miso broth into the donabe. Okay. Then I'm going to bring this to a simmer. Now the broth is heated. Right. Add in the bottom part of the napa cabbage, which takes a little bit longer time than the rest of the ingredients. And then all the potatoes. Potatoes are really good. And then I'm going to cover again and bring it back to simmer. Okay, so now I'm going to add the remaining napa cabbage and the enoki mushrooms. And cook for maybe additional few minutes. Okay, so now I'm going to add the salmon and pork bellies. So I'm going to start with the pork bellies. They're going to cook really fast. And now the salmon. So they cook really fast, maybe just a couple minutes or so. So you can kind of just watch it. Cover again. Okay, everything looks so good. So now to finish, I'm gonna add some chrysanthemum leaves. Of course, you can add other type of green veggies if you like. I like adding the butter at the end. Miso, butter, and potatoes, they're like golden combinations. So the dish is ready. This is a great dish to cook right at the table, and everybody can surround the hot pot and serve right out of it. So this is a great dish. So I'm gonna taste it now. Pork belly, potatoes, yay, and some mushrooms, and chrysanthemum leaves, and finally add some broth. Okay, so the dish is ready. So the choice of condiment today. So this is called kanzuri. This is a type of chili paste with yuzu and rice koji. and aged for more than 3 years. And this is from Niigata Prefecture. And so I like it just a little bit on the side. But of course, you can enjoy this just on its own, or shichimi, or any other condiments you like. This is delicious. Okay, now it's time for the shime course, which is the finishing course. So after you enjoy cooking all the delicious ingredients in the broth, make sure you reserve some of the broth so it has all the good flavors observed from cooking many different ingredients. To make the shime or the finishing course ojiya, make sure to save enough broth and reheat. Add some cooked rice and stir to let the rice loosen. Cook for a couple minutes. Beat the eggs and drizzle into the simmering rice mixture. Turn off the heat and let the eggs cook to your desired consistency. Serve into small bowls and enjoy with shichimi togarashi if you like. Now the shime is ready. This is called ojiya, which is soupy porridge. And I like sprinkle just a little bit of shichimi togarashi, which is Japanese 7 spice powder. It's really hot, so I'm gonna be careful. So you can cook until, if you like the kind of hard egg, you can cook longer, but I like the soft egg. Delicious. Thank you so much for watching. Happy Donabe life.